Hello, I buy your MP3, but at volume 0, 0, 1. Have in the speaker big noise. I don't know if you can listen, but very strong. This one with the USB.
蓝牙模式，蓝牙连接成功。
If I put Bluetooth, is the same. Please, how can solve the problem? Bye bye.